Hello everyone, this is Priyanka S from final year BCA. Today I am here with this topic cloud and healthcare. First, we are going to know about the introduction to the cloud computing. In order to understand cloud computing in the healthcare industry, we must understand the basic of cloud computing in general. Next, healthcare and cloud computing. Patients' information would be stored in cloud, accessed and managed over the internet. Since we are on a paperless route, this is great idea to store information. Authorized users. Information on one cloud is connected to the bigger cloud. Example, Big Bend RHIO connected to the NHIN. Next, consideration with cloud computing in healthcare. Since information is stored over the internet, precautions must be taken. Cloud system must conform to HIPAA Act. Personal health information, secure transmission of PHI over the internet, need to maintain a secure, safe and authorized environment for the prevention of information leakage. Next, cloud computing in healthcare. The combination of cloud computing with healthcare has the potential to improve a number of healthcare related functions such as telemediate, universities, robots, variable healthcare apps, medical equipment, pharmaceutical companies, hospitals, insurance companies, healthcare platforms. It also improves access to healthcare services though telehealth. Next, cloud computing in healthcare use cases. We start by understanding the general landscape of healthcare moving to the cloud, namely the challenge of moving legacy on premise tool and apps to the cloud. Key benefits of cloud computing in healthcare: supply chain maintenance, smart treatment, safe and security, research work, patient history, best of emergency situations. Advantages of cloud computing in healthcare sector: cost savings, easy access to data, continuous care, dependable and consistent, features on demand, 24 into 7 security and compliance, offload data connection, better security, adding value to business. Disadvantages of cloud computing in healthcare. Some disadvantages of cloud computing in medical industry, and these are as follows. Limited control. One disadvantages of cloud is that it is completely managed and monitored by the service provider, and the organization may have less control over their infrastructure. Outages. As cloud service provider, companies manage multiple clients at the same time, which can at times cause trouble and support challenges. Data security. Although cloud services providers are asked to complete industry certifications and complement best security standards, but still store data on a third party on external server triggers risk. Next, challenges and issues in cloud computing in healthcare. HIPAA compliance. The major cloud providers offers healthcare cloud solution that includes HIPAA compliance. GDPR compliance. May top cloud providers comply with the EU's General Data Protection Regulation. Security. Although the major cloud providers provide robust security services, it is possible to misconfigure a cloud based resources in a manner that expose sensitive data. Outages. Cloud computing environments experience outage despite their inherent redundancy. Data owner and handling. Getting data into a cloud is easy, getting it out is not always so easy. In addition, HIPAA gives patients the right to know who has handling their data. Thank you.